everyone, it's Melissa here for a happy memory keeping spread. So I've gone ahead and printed all of my photos with the Canon selfie, and I've laid them down kind of where I want to put them. I've written in pencil what I would like to go on each day. I am memory keeping all the way back into August, so I had to be efficient while I was printing the photos, or at least throughout the month back in August, and write down what I want to develop. So I've gone ahead and done that. Had a lot of photos this week, so I think I'm going to be using one of these half sheets. There's actually a couple more photos that I haven't put down on the spread, and I might actually move one of these photos over as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adhering these photos to the page. That's usually what I like to do first, so let's do this. I'm using Tombow mono adhesive. I love using this glue tape. Doesn't add any bulk, really easy to use, and the photos are pretty permanent. Haven't had one lift yet, so far so good. I'm getting a little nervous at the idea of catching up. I'm trying not to freak out about it though. I know that there's some time off coming in December, so I figure I can just spend some time doing this. To be honest, I think part of the impetus is that I know I have to, well, no, I don't have to film the plan with me for each of these, but I really do like doing it. So that's kind of hard to do when it's so hard. I just kind of want to be lazy and just sit on the couch and veg. That's kind of what I'm struggling with sometimes. I usually like to ground horizontal photos by putting something on the back of it. Now, as you can imagine, this really takes down the amount of box stickers that I use. So normally I kind of use into layers. So I like to incorporate some of the MAMBI paper behind it as a kind of cheaper alternative. I'm just trying to figure out what color scheme to go for or what to do, so I'm still kind of pondering that and trying to figure out if I want to use paper to go behind it or what I want to do. Keep going first. There's a lot of horizontal photos, so I feel like I should definitely figure out, I guess, like a cost-effective option, which is kind of ridiculous because I do have a lot of stickers, so I could just use a sticker, but I think I should use some MAMBI paper. Just trying to figure out which one I should use. So I'm going to put one on each side here, and then I'm going to maybe move this up here. This was all one day, so I think I kind of want to have them together. This was also part of that same day, but I really like that photo of us, so that's why I had it as photo of the week. Now let me go rustle up some paper to go behind these. I also wanted to put these horizontal, so I think if I had kind of the same paper or even two different types of paper, this would be good. Take a moment to put Tombow on all of these. So I think I'm actually going to use this paper, this kind of wood grain paper. I think that'll be nice to add some texture to the spread. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I kind of like how they are almost mirror images of where they're at. That looks nice. Now I know there's some kind of light wood grain stickers that in the Color Story Big Stickerbook. I'm wondering if I've used that. There's kind of a rustic theme in here. Just gonna go ahead and lay the photos down on top of the boxes. It's kind of nice actually memory planning these because it reminded me of how fun the summer was. Even though we were in the midst of moving and going through so many transitions, it really was a great summer. This Life is Lovely, and I think this kind of goes with this theme. Now I said I was going to use washi, or at least try to, so I think I'm going to put a washi border there later. But I'm just going to go ahead and just start embellishing this with some stickers. I just love this. It's like a juxtaposition of me putting This Life is Lovely right next to probably a lot of people's traumatic experience, and that is moving. I don't know. Maybe some people come out of a move really happy. I mean, I'm happy about moving, about actually physically moving to this place that we're in now, but it was not a good move. Okay, I'm just going to start to put some stickers on. I'm not going to do too many because I know that I want to journal still, so I don't want to fill it up too much. I like this. Two quotes together. Find your happy, and this life is lovely. Okay. And I'm going to erase this, and I'm just going to start journaling. I will probably speed up this portion of the video. And I'm close to really being done. I really need to pump out more of these quick. I kind of want to add this, but I think I should just journal first. I kind of love this, but yeah, I should really take my own advice and just start to journal. I like to just use bullet points to just kind of talk about each photo. Also just kind of a break in thought as you're reading it. So this was the day that we sign our mortgage papers, so I think this one day at a time stickers kind of appropriate for that monumentous day. The little insert, I want to kind of make sure that the themes are consistent between this spread as well as the insert. I'm going to use some of the clear numbers . Saturday was really busy. I'm going to dedicate this to kind of our Sunday adventures. think I want to layer some sort of sticker behind or in here and then put this right there. I think I'm going to use this because this is, well, it's not really exactly too consistent, but I'm hoping to kind of cover this up a bit and then maybe just lay it down. I'm almost wondering if I should put it this way. Yeah, and then I can put this right behind it over here. And then I'll put that here, and that way I've kind of covered up both of those. And I think I'm going to add some florals, the same type of florals across this spread. That's one way to kind of keep it consistent. I kind of want to do the pink florals that I have from the Floral Memories sticker book, but at the same time, I have another set of florals I can use. You know what, I think I will use those ones. Let me first number it. I've already forgotten what numbers are supposed to be on here, so I'm gonna start with 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7, and then 6. Now I'm just wondering if I should add another square sticker, so I think maybe there's too much white space here. Maybe that can be a place for me to put a big cluster of florals or some sort of clear quote. Let's go in here to see. I'm hoping to kind of do soft pastels because these are on the softer side. So I think I might look in here because I know this has a softer palette. The Floral Memories are so pretty, but they're very bright. I think I'm going to put, I kind of want to put Summer Lovin', but I'm wondering if that's going to be too bright. But I do know that I think this will be okay. Because we were hoping for sun. I kind of want to put this. The days are long, but the years are short. So it was a really stressful time, really busy, but we did kind of get through it. So I think this is a nice little reminder. Oh, I do want to caption this and add a little bit of a box there. I was thinking of just using the colorful box, the sticker book. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this, and then I'm just going to caption this photo. Okay, and I'm going to add some florals. Now let me just keep going and documenting this. I think I'm going to use these florals. I feel like I really want to use this quote, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it here, and I can journal about what happened on Sunday. going to go ahead and just start to add some florals. Now, I think I'm going to leave this spot blank, and then I have a tendency to do that actually. You know what? I might actually just go ham and fill up this spread with florals. First, let me just put this one here. Okay. And then I want to put one on this side as well. Put a couple. And I'm just wondering if I can fit one here. I think I can. What I think I might do actually is put a cluster of florals or a big floral here, and then put a smaller floral here, and just leave a little bit less of a white space. So what I think I'll do is actually, oh wow, this isn't even big enough. So I think what I will do, yeah, this will work. So I'm gonna cut off some of these florals, and then I'm going to just have them peeking from behind here. Yeah, I will do that. So I'm going to cut this up a little bit like this. Okay. And hopefully this isn't too long. It is, but I'm just going to snip off some of these florals, and I think I'll be able to make it fit. Okay. I'm just going to stick that right here, and I will put this along here. Actually, I think it might not be long enough now that I've cut it the way I did. So I might add another floral at the edge here. Okay. I'm gonna add, I think maybe I'll add this coming out of there. Just snip off a little bit of this floral, which I might still use, and put this here, making sure there's no gap. Okay, there we go. And I'm almost wondering, you know what, I think I should just leave that blank. Yeah. Yes, but there's 2 clusters here, there's only 1 there. So I think with that ridiculous sense of logic, I can put a floral here, and then for good measure, I'll just stick this smidgen of a floral on this side. Okay. And I think that should finish off this spread. I like how I've tried to bring in somewhat similar colors and tied that in as well. And yes, really happy with how this turned out. Let me just try to flip it. Okay. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like, and don't forget to subscribe.